Like and subscribe, and ring the bell to join us for more adventures. Timo the Word Scout visits the spinning gardens in VocabLand, where everything is always moving. Leaves turn, flowers spin, and nothing ever stays still. A new word fits this active place: kinetic. Kinetic means full of motion, energy, and movement. Moving through the garden means staying active the whole time. Jumps and steps follow the rhythm of the spinning plants. Energy stays high as movement continues without stopping. Keeping motion steady helps the path open forward. All the movement brings a feeling of excitement and speed. Timo remembers that energy in motion is called kinetic, and movement keeps adventures going.
For more cartoon stories and advanced English vocabulary, visit vocabcartoons.com. Cartoons, quizzes, and games that help you learn fast. Start free.